circulate my thoughts. So all my cool kittens, put your claws in the sky. Stub out your joints like it's 425. And give me something I can thrust to.
Still, the socialist expansion of the government. You put the government in charge of pre-K in America. It doesn't matter if you authorize it for 2 years or 5. You put the government in charge of pre-K in America, and then you're going to have pre-K who they can teach, who they can hire, and who's allowed to provide it. That's the power.
Fucking dipshit bozo. Fucking moron.
Jesus Christ.
In 800 feet, continue straight past. Traffic on A130. Traffic jam ahead.
Again, get your gear and then have a little check again. Nice job. What are we looking for before we accelerate? Very good. Is the danger with this queue, this side?
There could be a cyclist on this.
So what sort of speed to go past this queue? I agree. It just needed a little delay until you can see a little more. Very good. Friend or foe?
Police!
Eh?
I'm a police officer, mate.
Oh, right. Yeah.
Yeah? And what are you doing? You trying to kill people?
Do you see me indicator?
Are you trying to kill people?
Oh, do you see me
Are you
indicator?
talking to me like this now? Do you want to go to the police station, mate?
Bring them here.
Bring them
here.
here, you silly fat cunt.
Yeah, you are.
And you can be as prejudiced as you like in your own head as well with this. You can think,
Wanker.
oh, it's a tatty
nothing but Blair.
The fuck, man?
Lloyd's the Bobby! Lloyd's the Bobby!
What is he doing? He just drove straight at me. He literally just drove straight at us. I know the car's fucked. What is he doing?